Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. You probably have already noticed I'm wearing the same shirt for a lot of my videos that I'm doing. But that is just because my boxes were starting to pile up, and before they got out of hand, I wanted to sit down and get them all out and get videos up for you guys. So please excuse, the same shirt, the same look on every other video, but I'm trying to get through this, okay? I'm trying to work through this. So for this video, what we have here, it is our Play box for the month of July. It is the Sephora Play, or actually I think it's called the Play by Sephora. Yes, Play by Sephora. And again, this is for the month of July. This box here is a monthly subscription, and you do get, I believe, 5 to 6 deluxe size samples. It can range from regular products to luxury, so there is a wide variety of products that you can get, along with an extra bonus, usually a little perfume. Sometimes they switch it up and throw in some shampoo and conditioner in there, but you are set to get 5 to 6 products. So let's get into our box and see what we have for this month. Okay, so just like with every other box, you get a little pamphlet here with some type of theme. This is Isle of Beauty, and you have a little island with different little pictures in it, along with your 50-point card. One thing that I noticed about this card here is that before you didn't have to make a minimum purchase of $20. Now, something that they changed is that in order for you to use this 50-point card, you have to make a $20 minimum purchase. And that is, I think that is with an in-store purchase or an online purchase. I was trying to read back here really quick to see if it said anything about that, but yeah. So if you redeem it online or in store, you will have to make a minimum purchase of $20 in order for you to use this card. Before, they didn't have that. You can pretty much go buy anything, or even if you bought something online that was off of the sale section, you were able to use that card. But now that's something that changed for some reason. I don't know why. You can't get much with those points anyway, so I don't see why they're trying to be strict about it. I thought it was perfectly fine the way that they had it before. So aside from that, we have our little baggie here with all of our products inside. This one is also pretty heavy. From the looks of it, just because it is a see-through bag, it looks like we have some pretty good things. So let's start with the first one here that is at the very, very top. It is from Drunk Elephant, and it's the Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. Ooh, okay. This is the little box here. Really cute. So inside we have... Why do we have 2 items? Okay, so there are 2 things here. So this is the Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. It's a little container here. Let me see. It just looks like... It looks like a balm. It looks just like a lipstick. Sorry, not a chapstick. It looks and feels just like a chapstick. So once you rub it, I don't know if you can see some of it on my finger. It looks just like water, but it does have like an oily texture, which is what will help melt your makeup. So this is one thing here, and let me see what we have in here along with that. It is Bamboo Booster Exfoliant Physique Slug and Refined. This is a bamboo extract charcoal powder. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure if you're supposed to add like water to this, or if as you're melting your makeup away with this, you can kind of put this on top of your skin and make a paste. So from the looks of it, on our little pamphlet here, it does have the balm, or not the balm, what is the butter cleanser, and then it does have the powder on top. So I'm assuming that when you're taking your makeup off with the cleanser, you can add this powder on top, like on your hands, mix it on your hands so you can exfoliate your skin. So that's actually pretty cool. I've never heard of anything made to go like this. So pretty cool, Drunk Elephant. Let's see what else we have inside. So once we go into our baggie here, our next item is from Kiehl's. So I've used Kiehl's for so many years now, and I am so happy that they have been popping up a lot more lately in the subscription boxes, because Kiehl's is on the more expensive side, and I love that they are giving us all of their new masks and, you know, all of their different things so we can try them out before we buy them. And what we have here from Kiehl's is the ginger leaf and hibiscus firming mask. And then it says, instantly feels firmer and looks smoother. It's an overnight mask. This is what the little container looks like. Let me see if there's any type of scent. I can smell almost like some type of like, I can't really put my finger on the scent, but it does have some scent, and then the inside just kind of looks like a moisturizer. So it doesn't, not anything crazy on the inside, but this is a pretty good item for in our box. So far so good. Let's see what I can pull out here next. And I am actually in need of another makeup remover. So here we have the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. This one I have used before. It's one that you can just shake, and as you guys can see, it turns white. You just moisten your cotton ball or little round, and you just wipe it all off. It's really, really good. I have received different samples, and sorry, not different samples. I've received samples in different boxes before, and I really like this one. I just never repurchased it because I figured I get so many subscription boxes, I am bound to get a makeup remover in one of them, and I normally do. So I'm just glad I got another one of these. So if you guys are in the market for a new makeup remover, I really recommend this one. I think it's really, really good. So another yes for our box. Our next item here is from Caudalie, and it is a serum. It is Vino Pure, Skin Perfecting Serum. This is what this one looks like. It's just a minty green container. We have received a serum from Caudalie before in our Macy's box that I'm still waiting to try. So I'm going to try this one out and see what it does for my skin. So on our little pamphlet, it says this is a natural salicylic acid pore minimizing serum. Okay, so that sounds like something that, you know, just grabbed my attention. I am always looking for something to minimize my pores, because I do have very large pores here in this area, so I would love to minimize them. So I am definitely going to try this one out. We are almost done with our items from our bag, so let's see what we have next. Okay, so right here we have a lip crayon. I think that's what it's called, from Bite. And I have used these before, and I really, really like them. I think I've actually used this color. This is in the color Glaze. This is what it looks like. So if you twist it up, this is the color that you get. You don't get much, but I think for being something that comes in our bag, I think this is a really good size. So let me swatch it really quick so you guys can see the shade. I really like the colors that they give us. They are more on the neutral, nudish. This is the color here. I think it's really, really nice. It has like a rosy tint to it. It's really, really nice. It goes on super creamy, and it's not a matte lip color, but it's not overly shiny, which I'm not a huge fan of. But this one here, I think this is a perfect color. And I usually go through these really quick because I tend to put them in my purse and I use them every day. That's how much I actually like it. So let's move on to our final item from our bag. So here we have a perfume sample, and it is the Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. We receive this sample really often. Like I've mentioned before, I actually own a full-size bottle of this one. I really like this scent. It's really like, it's a real like summer scent. It's one that I definitely use in the summer, and whenever I use it in any other season, it always takes me back to summer. So I really like this one here. So I don't see the notes on here, but you do get that floral scent in this perfume that I personally really like. And this is a picture here of the bottle if you were to purchase a full size. I think this is one of their smaller bottles, but they're also really cute. They have really nice packaging. So those are all of the products that we got in this box. I don't know what you guys think, but I am very happy with what we got this month. Kiehl's is never bad to get in a box because I already know I love this product, and by receiving it in my boxes, I know that I just have another item from them that I know it's just going to be great. I'm also excited to try this Drunk Elephant butter cleanser, makeup melting butter cleanser. It sounds really interesting, especially since it came with this little packet, so you can exfoliate as you take away your makeup. And like I said, I was in need of another makeup remover. Honestly, I want to say that all of the products that I got in the box were all yeses for me. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you guys think that this was a good box? Because I do. If you don't, why don't you? Let me know down below. And that is all for this video. Remember, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. This is all for the Play by Sephora box. I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.